Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to master personalized AI content with GetGenie. Open your WordPress dashboard, go to GetGenie AI, and select the Blog Wizard template. Add your focus keyword, set your language, region, and SEO mode. Click Analyze Keyword to get started. Now we will generate titles and intro. Set creativity level and results count. Then click Generate Title. Pick your favorite title and click Next to create an introduction. Now we will generate outline. Adjust language, creativity, and output size, then hit Generate Outline. Choose headings or click Select All to add them instantly. You can swap, edit, or delete headings before moving forward. Now we will write Customize Content. Choose Customize Content for detailed writing. Select a heading, set output size, small, medium, or large, and click Generate. Repeat for all headings and hit Insert to add everything to the editor. Bonus tips: rewrite any paragraph with the Content Rewrite tool. Add AI-generated images from the Genie Image tool. That video has been given in the description box. That's it. With GetGenie AI, you can create SEO-friendly and engaging blogs effortlessly. Try it out today.